Doing good. I've been getting a lot of calls lately for people asking about how they need to get the KYZ Pulse. They want to see the KYZ Pulse coming out of the meter.
Oh, well, we have the new KYZ Pulse Indicator. We can always show them how it works.
That's a great idea.
Let's go make a video.
Sure.
Awesome.
So Joe is going to show us how Tesco's 1031C KYZ indicator can read pulses out of a meter. First, you'll plug in the 1031C KYZ indicator into the optical port of Tesco's 2990 desktop meter test station. You can use any of Tesco's next-gen meter test boards also. Then take the meter and plug that into the board. Before powering on the 2990, you will need to connect the KYZ indicator to the meter using the alligator clips by matching the colors of the wires and the clips. Be sure to keep the wires separate and do not have them touch in any way. Once the KYZ indicator is connected with the 2990 and the meter is in place, you can power on the unit. Now we will perform a pulse align test. You can also select a variety of tests, for example, voltage, current, or a meter test by navigating through the menu. Once the test is underway, you'll be able to see the LED lights from the KYZ indicator begin to pulse. You will see the KYZ pulse on the red device of the KYZ indicator. 2 LED lights will flash depending on where the switch is turned to. You can see the Y pulse only, or the Z pulse only, or both at the same time. The Y position will pulse when the red light comes on. The Z position will pulse when the green light comes on. When it's placed in the both position, it will pulse when both lights come on. After the test is complete, it will no longer pulse and you are ready to go. Just remember to power off the unit before disconnecting the KYZ indicator and meter. And that's how you use Tesco's 1031C KYZ indicator.